Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with latest tips and tricks. Hey, what's up guys, finally the Xiaomi Mi A2 has arrived. So in this video, let's unbox the Xiaomi Mi A2. Let's get started. Inside the box, we get SIM ejector tool, USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack dongle, a glossy silicone case, the phone itself, 5V 2A towel adapter, and a USB cable. This completes the unboxing experience. Let's take a look at the phone itself. We get 18:9 ratio 5.99-inch IPS LCD panel with Full HD Plus resolution. And this time we have on-screen navigation keys. As the phone is a part of Android One program, we get stock Android experience of Android Oreo without any bloatwares. At the bottom we get USB Type-C port with speakers and there is no headphone jack. The power button and the volume rockers are present at the right. The noise cancellation mic and the IR blaster are present at the top. To the left we have dual SIM card slot. Coming to the camera department, we have 20 megapixel front-facing camera. At the back, we have dual camera setup with dual-tone dual LED flash in between, followed by a fingerprint scanner and Mi branding. This was the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi A2. Soon I shall make more videos on Mi A2. Till then, stay subscribed and I will catch you guys in the next one.